Good morning friends, good morning all of my subscriber. Today my blog related to Quwwatul Islam Masjid. Quwwatul Islam was sponsored by Qutbuddin Aibak, founded the Mamluk dynasty. Born is slave in Turkey, Qutbuddin is the preeminence of a general during Muhammad Ghori invasions of India in the 1180 after Muhammad assassinations in 1206. Qutbuddin died in throne in the Kremlin himself, Sultan of the Mamluk dynasty of the district called the Slav dynasty. After Qutb ordinance allowed in the dynasty lasted in the only few countries Muslim rule India endured up to the British options 1858. Qutb was a financial Muslim when the Christians occupied Delhi under the command of Muhammad Ghori in 1192, ordered the destruction of 27 Hindu and Jain temples to furnish building materials for the constructions of Delhi. The first mosque, Quwwatul Islam, the glory of Islam, was hastily erected by the young Amir on conscribed in the army of local craftsmen, pre-assembly Hindus, and assembly the structures of Hindu stone season reposed columns from the destroyed temples, but adapting them in the use of Moscow provide problematic given Islam injunctions against the use of image in temples. The mason were forced in the plaster were the highly sculpted Hindu columns and pre-assembly covered them the geometric designs. However, after the centuries of neglect in the past has fallen away, revealing the original Hindu crimes. The Quwwatul Islam Masjid, the best known for is the Tower of Victory, celebrating of Muslim conquest of India. It is the built in the red sandstone, grey cartodized and white marble, but is probably inspired by the Aryan pillar of the law and the stand on the site. Built in the Mauryan dynasty of the 16th century, in the only piece of temple stand the original location. Qutb built around the where the constructed the masjid, although made of iron. It has the registered rust of 1500 years, evidence of the Maryam separate metallurgical skills. Expansion of mosque continued after the death of Qutb. His son-in-law Hazrat Iltamis extended the original prayer hall screened by the three more arches image. By the time of Iltamis, Mamluk empire of the Slavies into the Sultan could replace most the constructed Hindu missions of the Islamic ones. This example why the arches added under the Iltamis in the statistically more Islamic than the ones erected under Qutb rule. Just as the west of expanse Moscow, Iltamis built is the on tomb the first and the erected the Delhi Sultanate. See more information. Despite the presence of Muslim craftsmen, a tomb mostly Hindu design, if is not execution much is the super texture the most will involves and the plagued bouldering material. Iltamis the body was the lead of the rest substream claims in tomb. The define of the Quwwatul Islam Masjid during the rule Alauddin 1296-1316 known the west, and Alauddin is the first seemed intellects the patronized of Moscow even editing in Romans new courtyard wall and irrigating the base of her new minor tower. However, Alauddin dreams were the grant that the decide to the obtained when the Lal Kot, Delhi capital, and moved the nearby Sri whereupon Quwwatul Islam it is the ambience. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.